Tell me more. Tell me more. I want to know. Oh, really? What else happened? Really? Oh, my goodness. Tell me more. Come on. And then? And then, what happened? Come on. Tell me more. Was it funny? Did you laugh? Come on. You can laugh. Tell me. Oh, come on. Come on. Tell me more. Tell me more, sweetie. Did you know you turned 6 weeks old today? You did know that? Oh, yeah? What else do you know? What else do you know? Oh. Oh. You like that? Do you like that? Why don't you tell me about your day? Where'd you go today? What'd you do? You went shopping? And you went to where? The airport? And Big O Tires? Oh my goodness, what a big day you've had. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh, wow. Are you a ladies' man? Are you a ladies' man? Oh, come on, yes you are. Give us one of those smiles. Yeah, you're gonna steal all the women, aren't you? Give us one of those girly smiles. Give us a smile. Oh, yeah. There's a little one. How about a big one? A big one that's gonna get all the girlies. You're gonna get all the girlies with that big smile of yours, aren't you? Come on. Give us a big smile. Yes. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. There it is. What a good boy. What a big smile. You gonna give us another one? Hey? Come on. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Kisses. Kisses. Come on. Ah. Okay. Okay. Is that enough, camera? Is that enough? Where's all your hair? Where's all your hair? Oh! Are you talking? Are you telling me something? What are you telling me? You're 6 weeks old today. There's a big smile. There it was. Keep talking. You're 6 weeks old today, aren't you? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Oh, what a big boy. What a big boy you are. Yeah. Yes, you are. Okay. All right, that's enough camera time.